Scena 1 tras 1.
Are you ready? Yeah, I'm excited. I'm proud. This is a big one, so let's do it. 2025 has proven to be an incredible year of growth here at MetaWealth. We closed our first investments from Italy, expanding our portfolio to 4 countries: Spain, Greece, Italy, and Romania. Our investor base further diversified to now include institutional investors, banks, and funds, alongside our more than 1,400 investors from 30 countries. Now, I'm excited and proud to share that we're finishing 2025 with what I would consider to be our most impactful development. MetaWealth is entering the energy infrastructure market. We will be leading the development and financing of several investments in battery energy storage systems, BESS, within Romania. BESS provides storage capabilities and capacity for green energy to optimize usage based on the demands of the grid. This is a significant development that means a lot to our team and to myself, and aligns with our core mission of originating investments with strong risk-adjusted return profiles from high-growth markets and industries. For the greater part of 2025, our senior leadership team thoroughly analyzed the data behind this development. Our origination teams put boots on the ground domestically and internationally to source all relevant information. We also utilize key partnerships to formulate third-party evaluations. The conclusion that we drew is that we must pursue this development because it has a strong business case that also supports essential regional and domestic initiatives that have impact on our quality of life and security. We chose to pursue BESS in Romania for a multitude of reasons. But a critical factor was that after analyzing the European market, it was determined that Romania presents amongst the most profitable business models. The arbitrage on trading realized amongst the highest spreads, while the cost structures were amongst the lowest throughout Europe. Ultimately, the risk profile presented clear, strong, risk-adjusted returns. When looking at market conditions, and while there are many essential data points, the clearest reality is that we live in an ever-evolving, technology-driven world. This technology needs energy, and thus the demand continues to grow. We are already seeing this now with the development of artificial intelligence and the supporting data centers. In alignment with this demand, our need to expand green energy production and storage is clear to support this growth in a sustainable way. In addition, a more challenging reality today is that there are many geopolitical conflicts prompting initiatives to increase regional energy independence and security globally. The European Union, especially Eastern Europe, is clearly no exception. The European Union is investing significant funds into energy infrastructure, and the private market is doing its part to support these initiatives. It is Romania's obligation to meet energy requirements to be a responsible member in the European Union. Romania's 2030 sustainability agenda was launched in 2018, and this is just one of many initiatives that the country is expected to deliver. Romania's 2030 sustainability agenda is essentially Romania's way of implementing the UN 2030 agenda through national policies, targets, and monitoring, anchored by a national strategy and an action plan. With all this being said, this outlines BESS as a strong development opportunity, but the most critical factor in our decision to deliver BESS is our confidence in our team being the right team to execute these developments. Our MetaWealth team is composed of over 40 members with strong competency in engineering, originations, investment management, investor relations, and compliance. Our senior leadership team brings more than 60 years of combined experience in commodities trading, real estate investing and development, and capital markets. Our majority shareholders, my family, continue to operate large-scale family real estate development company outside of MetaWealth. We live on the construction sites and we execute as a strong team where my father, my brother, my sister, and I rely on each other and our teams to execute our developments. Beyond the business model, another factor is that Romania is my home, the home of many MetaWealth team members, and the home of my family. My family and I moved from Toronto, Canada to Bucharest, Romania in 2006. It was the best decision and the greatest blessing in our lives. We were welcomed with open arms and appreciated the family, resilience, and hard work cultural values while entering the market focusing on real estate. We have remained in Bucharest ever since, today operating a large-scale family real estate development company with 3 developments currently under construction and a gross development pipeline of over 1.5 billion euros. MetaWealth's entry into Romania's BESS market is a natural next step in our evolution, pairing a compelling risk-adjusted development thesis with a project type that strengthens grid resilience, supports green growth, and advances regional energy security. Romania is one of the most attractive BESS marketplaces, offering a highly profitable business model driven by strong spreads and competitive cost structures.